Hello aspirants, welcome to Ekam IS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Joshimath, which has been in news since the last 1.5 years for the reason of land subsidence. You know, this is located in the state of Uttarakhand, a hilly state, and it is very important in terms of religious pilgrimage. So in this video, why we are going to discuss about Joshimath is because it is in news because there is a proposal of renaming Joshimath to Jyotirmath. So what is the process of renaming, why they are going to rename it, and who is the person behind this establishment of Joshimath, and also what is another place associated in the process of renaming. All these facts which are important from prelims perspective we are going to discuss as part of this video. So here you can see this is an image of Joshimath. Okay, so we are going to discuss what is the process and why they have initiated the process of renaming. So first thing you need to know is Joshimath is going to be renamed as, this is the original name. Okay, so the present name, they are going to rename it as Jyotirmath. So what is the meaning of the Jyotirmath? Means divine knowledge. So they wanted to change with the meaning that this particular place is a place of divine knowledge. So then who is going to initiate this? The state government will initiate the process, and this will be forwarded to the central government. Central government has to agree. Then you can ask, what is the role of the central government in this regard? Because here, see, two organizations are very important, or two ministries you can say. So one is Ministry of Science and Technology. So they already have given the no objection certificate or NOC. What is the role of NOC or SNT ministry here? Means under SNT ministry, there is a department called Department of Science and Technology. So what is the main job of this is, under this you have an organization called Survey of India. So this Survey of India is a premier scientific organization established way back in 1767. This is the oldest scientific organization which is established in 1767 itself. It was headquartered in Dehradun of Uttarakhand, and it is under the Ministry of Science and Technology, which is mainly responsible for surveying and mapping in India. So whatever the maps we see with respect to India, all those were being prepared by Survey of India itself, and it is headed by Surveyor General. This is what you have to keep in mind. So then this particular organization also have to be informed, because when they draw the maps, they will have to point out, no, that is why they will update with the recent new name. That is what the role of Ministry of Science and Technology in this regard. Then what is another ministry that have to be informed? That is Ministry of Railways. So in this regard, there is no information here for Ministry of Railways, but in case if this particular place which is going to get renamed is also having any railway station or any other things associated with railways, then they also have to be informed and they also have to approve it. That is why how they can update the name of the railway station and all in their particular websites and all, so that it will be easy for the passengers also. In this way, the state government will it will forward the proposal to the central government, which has to be approved by the central government and their respective ministries. This is what the process is. Then why they are going to rename the particular place of Joshimath to Jyotirmath is because they wanted to increase religious tourism. So as it is having a lot of cultural significance, they wanted to increase the inflow of the pilgrimage, tourists and all to this particular place. That is the reason why they wanted to rename it. So we have seen why. And what is the reason why this Joshimath is there as an important cultural pilgrimage site is because it is one of the 4 Chardhams. And it is considered as a holy place for Hindu religion because it was established as one of the 4 cardinal, you can say, mutts established by 8th century philosopher, Bhakti philosopher, you can see. Who is he? It is Adi Shankaracharya, who have propounded the concept of Advaita Vedanta. So what is the meaning of the word Advaita and what is the basic essence of Advaita? If you know, answer in the comment section. Then you also have to know this is one of the 4 cardinal mutts. It is not Chardhams but 4 cardinal mutts established by Adi Shankaracharya. Where are the other 3 mutts located? So this is what you have to answer in the comment section. Then another important thing you have to know is, apart from Joshimath, another place called Kosia Kutoli. This is also getting renamed. Okay, what they're going to rename it? So here you have to understand what is the meaning of this word. So Kosia is a term that has been originated from the river Kosi. You know, river Kosi is a transboundary river which is flowing in the countries of China, Nepal, that means Tibet part of China, Nepal as well as India. It is a transboundary river and it is flowing into India. It is coming from the country of Nepal. So it is also considered as Bihar, sorrow of Bihar. So you know it will create floods in Bihar. That is why it is considered as sorrow of Bihar. At the same time, you have to remember this is an important tributary of river Ganga. So from this particular river name, they have named it as Kosia Kutoli. Now they are going to rename it. This is also getting renamed in the name of, they have renamed it as Kainchi Dam Tehsil. This is what the new name they wanted to rename this particular place. So what is the significance is, this is one of the place where the gurus who have propounded Bhakti Yoga used to live. So and interestingly, Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, so he is also one of the disciple of this particular guru who came from this particular school of thought. So Steve Jobs also is one of the important follower of this particular school. So this is what you have to know interestingly from this particular thing. And the term Kutoli means, it is a meaning of the local word village. So this is what. So here in this particular video, we have discussed the two names of Joshimath as well as Kosia Kutoli, which are going to be renamed by the state government and for which central government already have given an approval. So we have linked different things and we have covered SNT part where Survey of India we have discussed, and we also have discussed about Kosi River, from which particular states it is flowing through. If you know, let me know in the comment section. At the same time, we have seen the historical part of Shankaracharya and his Vedanta philosophy also. So this is all we have discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.